guys, it's me again. It has been a minute. It's been a year and like 2 months, and I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. So much happened in this past year. I started college, I moved, I joined a sorority, I met so many new people. I got so stressed out with school, which had never happened before. School never stressed me out, and I am so stressed out. Well, not right now, it's summer, and so I have a lot more free time, too much free time. So I've decided to get back on YouTube and start filming for you guys again. Help me with ideas, because sometimes I just don't get creative. Oh no, I don't get creative enough, and I don't sit down and film. But if you guys have any requests, feel free to comment down below. And if you want to know how to get this easy summer simple look, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. Hug your family. My dog just sneezed. I don't know if you could hear that. Anyway, and yeah, just keep on watching. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna start by moisturizing with this, it's just a Cetaphil face and body moisturizer. I have really dry skin, so I have to moisturize like 2 times a day. Okay, so now I'm gonna be priming with my Milani Prime and Protect primer, and it's a primer that has SPF. Okay, focus, or don't focus. It has a SPF of 30, and usually, I don't know, the primers that I've tried that have SPF make my face really white, because you know, the SPF, but this one doesn't, so I really like it. And it's really inexpensive too. I think it was like, it was $8 to $11 at Target. Okay, so first I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the color Chocolate. And I'm going to use the Anastasia spoolie brush. Okay, so now to start the face, I'm going to be getting my Makeup Forever HD foundation stick. This is literally my holy grail, my absolute favorite. Everybody always asks me, like, what foundation are you using? And for the past, like, I don't even know, for the past like 2 years, I've only been using this foundation. I think I'm gonna start switching it up now. I really want to try the Hourglass foundation stick, and I'm literally like running out of this. Like, I have to scrape it. Don't judge me, I'm broke. I need a new one, I know, I just haven't gone to get one, but yeah, I swear by this. And this one is in the color Y365, and it's so good for dry skin. I have extremely dry skin, and this foundation makes me feel amazing, hydrated. I was so excited for the Shape Tape hydrating foundation, but then I saw reviews and they weren't that good. I just really like full coverage. This is a full coverage foundation, by the way. I like really full coverage foundations, and just the reviews that I've seen say that the Shape Tape hydrating foundation by Tarte isn't full coverage, but that the matte one is full coverage. But I don't want to use a matte one because I have really dry skin. I don't know. If you've tried it, let me know how you feel about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna be getting this e.l.f. powder brush. It's just like a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna so I don't fully blend with a brush, I think I'm just really lazy to blend the whole thing out with a beauty blender. So, or a beauty sponge, because I don't have a beauty blender, I have the Real Techniques one. So I just kind of like get it everywhere with the brush, and then once it's kind of everywhere, like now, then I go in and I blend with a dry beauty sponge, because when I wet it, I just feel like I don't get full coverage. And now I'm going to take the same concealer and conceal. I'm also running out of this, it's so sad. I love this concealer and it is so cheap. I can't remember how much I paid for it. Oh, that's a lot. Can't remember exactly how much I paid for it. It was really cheap, like maybe six, no more than 10, I don't think. I may be wrong, but I love this concealer. Okay, now that I have my foundation and my concealer on, oops, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder. So I used to use the Loreal powder to bake, but I ran out so fast and it's so expensive. And I've found that this one is a really good dupe. I've gone through 2 of these and it lasts like twice as long as the Loreal one. My biggest issue with setting powders was flashback, like the Airspun. I know a lot of people swear by Airspun, but to me it just did not work. And this one is getting all over my shirt, as it tends to happen. Yeah, no, this one is literally like, I love this one. And it's also not expensive-ish. I think it's like $10. Okay, so while that is setting, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I'm going to use the Anastasia Prism palette for my setting color. It's going to be the color Unity right here. That color literally matches my skin tone perfectly, or my foundation. So this is the brush that comes with the palette, and I'm just going to use this side and just apply that all over the lid. So now I'm going to grab the Kylie Burgundy palette, and I'm going to get the color Beach, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to get a little bit because it's kind of very orangey, and I'm going to just put that on the crease just to have some type of color. And this brush is the Morphe MB23. It's just a fluffy blending brush. Okay, so now I'm just gonna get this flat brush. That is a really long name. SSO21DLX Blending Fluff. That is a really long name. And I'm gonna get the color Penny, this one right here, and just apply that on the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing my eyelashes. These are House of Lashes in the style Smoky Muse. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and put these on off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, so my eyelashes are on now. And now I'm gonna take off the bake I'm gonna be using the Real Techniques powder brush, and it's just a really fluffy brush, and I just fluff it off. So for contouring, I'm going to be using the oh my god, Smashbox step-by-step contour palette, and I'm almost out. Don't judge me. I'm almost out of everything. So I'm gonna be getting the contour, the darker color, and this Morphe E5 brush. I love this brush. This brush changed my life. I definitely recommend it. As for this, I mean, I'm almost out. I used it for a long time, but I'm ready to move on. I think I'm gonna try the, oh gosh, what's it called? The chocolate contour? I don't even know what it's called. I don't remember. Now I'm gonna be getting the bronzer, and with the same brush, I'm just gonna be going above where I just contoured. Okay, and you don't have to do this step, totally optional. Not everybody does it, but I do contour my nose because I don't like my nose, so I'm gonna contour my nose. So I do it with this it's by the brand Grown Pro. Don't ask me where I got this, I don't remember, but it's their C508 brush, and it's like a small angled brush, and it's fluffy. And I'm gonna be using the bronzer, and not a lot, obviously. Because you don't want it to look obvious that, like, oh, you contoured your nose. So. And now I'm going to get this white color, the highlight, and just highlight the tip of my nose and the bridge. Now for blush, I am getting my Milani powder blush in the color Romantic Rose. It's so pretty. It's not that pretty anymore because I've used it so much and it doesn't look like a rose anymore, kind of. But this color's really subtle. I don't know. It's not like a really strong pinky blush. I really like it. I'm going to be using the Moonchild highlighting palette, and I'm going to get the color Pink Heart, I think it's called. Oh man, that was a struggle. Yes, Pink Heart right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this Eco brush, and I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm gonna get my Loreal telescopic mascara for my bottom lashes. I know that, at least from what I remember, this used to be black. Like, the packaging was black. I don't know if they changed the packaging or if this is a special edition. I looked everywhere and it does not say like the golden one or anything, but I love this mascara, so if you go look for it, it may be black, it may be gold, I don't know. Okay, and now for the lips, I'm gonna be using my sad little Kylie liner. This is in the color Candy K. I love this lipstick, lip kit, lipstick, lip liner. Like, I love this color. It's my absolute favorite. I use it about every day. I'm so close to being out, and this is my second or third one. And I got it since the first one came out, and I absolutely love it. I found that I like matching up this lip liner with this lipstick. It's the Urban Decay Sheer Liar lipstick, and it is, I'm almost out. I can't roll it out anymore. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to go get another one. Oh my god, you can't even see it. Okay, this is depressing. But I love this lipstick. It's literally so like thin, and it's the same color, kinda. It just gives it a little shimmer. I love it. This is the finished look. Just a simple, easy, fast summer look. I know, and I talk a lot, so it may not seem that fast, but when I'm not talking, it's really, really fast. It takes me like 20 minutes to do it, so I love it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for being patient. I know I took so long to make another video, and I'm so sorry. I won't let that happen again. Hopefully I will be making a lot more videos, so if you guys want to leave any ideas, anything you want to see, just go ahead and leave it down below. Anything, literally, a glam look, an eyebrow tutorial, a nose contouring tutorial, I don't know, whatever you want, and I will go more in depth. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.